properties of subtraction. Just like addition, subtraction is also having some subtraction fact too, and that only we are going to discuss here now. First fact or first property is subtracting 0 from a number. Now children, what is 0? What is the definition of 0? 0 means nothing. Okay, what is the meaning of 0? Nothing. For example, if your father has given you 100 rupees and your mother has not asked any money from you, means not taken any money from you, then what the money you are having now? 100 only. Means you are having 100 rupees and you are not given nothing to anyone. Then you will have 100 rupees only. Similarly, if we will subtract 0 from a number, we will get the same number because we have not given anything to anyone. Okay? So, for example, if we will subtract 0 from 666, what we will get? We will get the same number because we have subtracted nothing. 0 means nothing. So, we will get the 666 only. Okay? This is the one fact. Now, second fact is now children, you can see that when we are subtracting 1 from any number, what we are getting? We are getting the number which is the predecessor of that number. Means the number that comes just before to that number. Okay? For example, here we will subtract 1 from 666. We will get the number which is just before of this number, which is the predecessor of this number. That will be, you subtract here 6 minus 1, it will be 5. Then 6 and 6. We get 665, and 665 is the number that comes just before 666. So when we are subtracting 1 from any number, we get the predecessor of that number. So first fact is when we are subtracting 0 from a number, we are getting the number itself. Second is when we are subtracting 1 from a number, we are getting the number which is predecessor of that number. Okay? This is the second fact. Now, third fact. Subtracting the number from itself. Okay? Again here you take that example only. You are having 100 rupees, okay? And you have given 100 rupees to anyone. So what the money you will have now? 0. Okay? So what if you are having 200 rupees, then also you have given 200 rupees to others. Then what the money you will have? 0 only. So when you are subtracting the number from itself, then we are getting 0. Okay? For example, when we are subtracting 666 from 666, what we will get? We will get 0. Because when we are subtracting the number from itself, we are getting 0. Okay? The difference will be the 0 only. Now, there is a fact, subtracting by tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on, children. Okay? So when we are subtracting tens, hundred and thousands, simply what we are doing? Only we are decreasing or reducing the number in tens place, hundred place and thousand place respectively. Okay. So simply we can do subtraction by reducing the number which is in tens place when we are subtracting 10. When we are subtracting 100, we are reducing the number which is in 100 place by 1. And when we are subtracting 1000, we are reducing the number which is in 1000 place by 1. Okay. So for example, you can see here, when we are subtracting 10 from 666, what we will get? Only we will reduce the number which is in tens place, that is 6 will reduce by 1, it will become 5. So our answer will be 656. Okay. Again, when we are subtracting the number, when we are subtracting 100 from there, you can see only we will reduce the number which is in 100 place. So 6 will convert into 500. So here it will be 566. Okay. Similarly, you will take the example of the 1000 also like this. Maybe 7125. When you are subtracting 1000 from here, only you will reduce the number which is in 1000 place by 1. Okay. It will become 6. So it will be 6125. So easy, so simple. Now we will discuss some example. Okay. Here we are going to discuss some example. Okay. We have to fill in the blanks with the suitable answer, with the correct answer. We have to fill in the blanks. So first you can see that 43,189 minus 0 will be what? It will be number itself. When we are subtracting 0, we are getting the number itself. So answer will be 43,189. Okay. Now in second, when we are subtracting 1, we are getting the predecessor of that number. Means the number that just comes before of that number. So here we will get 77,781. Okay. Now here you can see when we are subtracting the number by itself, we are getting 0. You can see here is also 54,135. Here is also 54,135. So we are subtracting the number by itself. So answer will be 0. Now when we are subtracting 10, what we are doing? Only we are reducing the number which is in tens place. We are by 1. So here if it is 6, it will become 5. So it is 18,852. You can see here. Here is 6 and here is 5 because we are subtracting 10. Okay. Now in this, it is not given what we have to subtract. Only answer is given over there. Okay. So you can see here, here is the number 5,78,521 and here is the number, after subtraction we are getting 5,78,421. Everything is same, only you see the 100 place. Here is 500 and here is 400. Means we are subtracting 100. Then only it is possible now. So here its answer will be 100. When we are subtracting 100, only we are reducing the number which is in 100 place by 1. Now in this question you can see, here also it is 1,09,845. Here is 1,08,845. Only you can see the number in the thousand places change. Here it is 9 and here it is 8. So here we are subtracting 1000 from here. So here will be 1000. So when we are subtracting 1000 from any number, the number in the thousand place is decreased by 1. Only we are subtracting the number which is in thousand place and it decreased by 1. So like that you can do fill in the blanks. Thank you children.